Hey, I'm Caleb Valentine, and I'm running for SGA president. It's a blessing for me to live and study at a place like Union, and one of the most significant aspects of my time here has been serving with SGA. My first year, I had the opportunity to be a part of freshman council, and this past spring, I was elected to serve as sophomore class treasurer. Through this time of working with executive and class officers, I've seen how SGA works and how important it is to this university. I've also been able to develop a vision of what I can do as SGA president. SGA is doing some amazing things, and my goal will be to continue and even improve on this success. First of all, I'd like to work with the next vice president specifically to raise interest and participation in Senate. Senate is the best way for students to work with the administration to effect change, and it can become even better than it is now. Secondly, I want to encourage community and leadership on campus so that no organization or group of students feels excluded from the rest of campus life, and so that students are encouraged to lead in whatever context to which they are called. Finally, the SGA president often represents Union to the outside world, whether that means prospective students at Scholars of Excellence or visitors and alumni at the annual scholarship banquet. This is a role that I know that I can fulfill well. I love Union, I love SGA, and I'd love to be your next SGA president, which means that I would love to have your vote. But whether I'm elected or not, whether you support me or not, I hope you know me as someone who genuinely wants to encourage you and wants to serve you. And if I haven't met you yet, I hope to have that opportunity soon. So again, I'm Caleb Valentine, and I appreciate your support.